from the ground up. Wasn't long ago that I was really weighing pounds up. Really from the streets, so keep that pussy shit from around us. And want some good weed, somebody throw that crown up. Devil sitting on my shoulder.
Yeah, I was in a dead puss and that about to flip on my side.
And I can't think straight cause I ain't sober. I only do
yeah, I was worse than that. My car was like in a pit like that, down there on it, laying on that door. I couldn't open that door, I couldn't open the window. I couldn't open this door because it was straight in the air. Yeah, and it didn't do nothing to my car. It was not even a dent. A little another crack in my bumper.